Hi there, my name is Nick, the lead developer of Block Visibility. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some new functionality called Visibility Presets, which is available in Block Visibility Pro. Here we have a demo site. It's for an agency, and on their contact page, there's this little banner that indicates that the office is open and prompts users to call. On the home page, we have a similar banner right across the bottom here. And the idea is that when the office hours are open, we would rather people call in about their prospective project rather than fill out a form. So we're trying to get people to call. But when the office is not open, this content should be hidden. We don't want people calling when no one's there. So we can use Block Visibility to do this. Let's start on the home page. We'll go to Edit. And what you would do normally with Block Visibility is you'd come down to the block in question. We'd go to the visibility panel and we'd scroll down and we'd make sure that date and time was enabled. And then we would configure the date and time settings based on the office hours. So perhaps we're available Monday through Friday, and it's how about 9 to 5. And there we go, we're all set. That's all we would need to do to only show this banner Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. But what about that block on the Contact Us page? We would need to go to the Contact Us page, and we'd also need to configure this all. But then what if the office hours change down the line, or maybe there's a holiday or something like that? You need to go into each block and adjust each one. Now we only have 2 blocks here we're concerned about. But what if you had many? And that's kind of where Visibility Presets comes in. The idea is that you can create some visibility settings that apply to each block. Then you can configure and change in one location, and then that filters through to each block that has that preset. So let's clear this out and I can show you how this works. So here we have the presets. And there's a bunch of presets already on this demo site. What we want to do is we want to create a new one. So we'll click on Manage Presets. And here's our new preset manager. And we're going to add a new preset. And let's call the preset Office Hours. Now this should look pretty familiar. It's the same kind of column of settings to pick from. You can also change the view to make it a little easier depending on what you're trying to do. But I'm going to leave it the same for now. Let's set this up. So we'll do same as we had before, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 p.m. Now, before we apply this, I want to showcase a few key things about presets. In a block, when you apply visibility settings, you can apply basically and conditions. So date and time, and user role, screen size, and then you can of course pick from all the different controls that are available. Presets allow you to go one step further if you need to and create OR conditions. So with a simple plus here, you can add another control set. So the block that has this preset will be visible if any of the individual control sets apply. This can be really handy when you're dealing with very complicated visibility restrictions, but I just want to showcase that that is available. I'm not going to go deep into that now, but you can do some very complicated things with presets depending on your needs. For now, we're just going to remove this. So we're all set. We've done what we needed to do for office hours. So we're going to publish. And once you're published, you'll see office hours show up in the sidebar. And then we can close the preset manager. Now on the block itself, we're going to go down to the visibility presets. You'll see office hours, check office hours, and we're going to update. Now let's go to preview. Now I'm editing this on a Wednesday between 9 and 5, so our banner shows. Well, let's go over to the Contact Us page and apply the preset that we just created. So we're going to come down here, we're going to go to the cover block, go down to visibility, go to presets. You'll see this little indicator that presets are loading, and then we'll go to office hours. update. So we'll go back to preview. Nothing should change. And we have our banner. But let's showcase the power of presets. So let's come back in here. Now, I do want to jump in here. You can always manage presets using this button. But sometimes if you're not editing a block specifically and you just want to manage your presets, you can come over here into the navigation, the options menu, and there's this option for visibility presets. So click on here and it will launch the modal. So let's pretend that office hours are changing and we're not open on Wednesdays now. So we're going to uncheck Wednesday and we're going to click update. Now note that we didn't touch the block at all. We just changed the preset. So now when we come over here to contact us and we refresh, that banner goes away. And if we go to the home page, it should also go away because it's according to the preset, we should not show this on Wednesday. And sure enough, it's gone. So, let's just, for the sake of doing it, let's turn it back on and we'll do a little refresh. And there we go. So the beauty of presets is you're editing all the visibility settings in one place. And then you can apply those presets to any number of blocks. A block can have any number of presets. And in one place, you can edit all blocks that have that preset at once. And so I'm very excited to see how people use this. It's probably one of the most powerful features added to Block Visibility, probably since Block Visibility Pro was introduced. And this is just the beginning. This is the first iteration of presets. There's all sorts of additional functionality that can be added. So if you have a feature request or something that you'd like to see presets be able to do, send us a feature request. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you'll check out Block Visibility Pro 1.3.